In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Elliott Impulse Wave on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add the Elliott Impulse Wave tool to your chart, place your points correctly, and customize the look so it fits your personal trading style. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart. You can use any market or time frame you like because this tool works the same way everywhere. Once your chart is open, look to the upper left side of the screen. This is where your main drawing tools are located. From that toolbar, find the icon for patterns. It usually shows a small pattern symbol, and when you hover over it, it will mention patterns. Click on that, and a menu will expand with different pattern tools. In that drop-down, look for the Elliott Impulse Wave labelled 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the classic 5-wave structure. Click on it to activate the tool. Your cursor will now let you start placing points directly on the chart. Now, click on the chart to create your first point. This will be the start of your wave 1. Then move your cursor and click again to create your second point, which will mark the end of wave 1 and the start of wave 2. Continue this process. Place your third point, your fourth point, and then your fifth point, following the price swings that you want to outline. After the fifth point, you'll add a sixth point to complete the pattern, which usually marks the end of the corrective move. Once the Elliott Impulse Wave is on your chart, you can clearly see how price moved through those waves. This helps you visualize trend direction and potential zones where the market might react next. The nice thing is, you can move or adjust this pattern anytime. Just click and drag the points to align them more precisely with your candles or wicks. You can also customize how it looks. With the pattern selected, you'll see options to work with templates, so you can save your favorite style. You can change the color to make it stand out, adjust the line tool width to make the waves thinner or bolder, and open the settings to fine-tune labels and visibility. If you want to keep the structure in place, use the lock option so you don't accidentally move it. And if you're done with it, use remove to delete it from the chart. The 3 dots or more menu gives you quick access to additional actions and settings. Using the Elliott Impulse Wave tool on Tradingview is a powerful way to organize your analysis and better understand market structure while keeping your charts clean and consistent.